Hi everyone, I am with Ate.
I'm Marlita V. Magdaraog, businesswoman, any kind of business. This is the time to prove the business is very relevant and entrepreneurship.
Why is business is relevant in today's world?
Business is relevant because it's address even next needs and customer demands, providing products and services that are available and heavily expected within and to industry. That's unrelevant.
Hi everyone, I am with Raj Milanio and he is one of the students here in CSSA taking up BS Ed Science. And Raj, may I know what kind of business do you have?
Yeah, I have a massage spa, also piece Wi-Fi units, and the last one is bigasan or bugas.
Wow. And in terms of inflation rate, how has it affected in your business?
Yeah, it is. This is kind of difficult situations that every business owner encounter or entrepreneurs encounter, which is having a inflation.
Yeah.
Because when it comes of inflation in terms of business, is called direct proportionals. If the inflation increase, especially the capital and the expenses are increased also, and it's very difficult to determine because it's depend to the owner if the product price is will increase also.
And do you have any strategies do you use to ensure customer satisfaction and loyalty?
Yeah, number one of my strategies, I believe, always be ready and open every day. Wherever you are busy or wherever you are, we call of this, you have is over tired or you are sick, you need to be open because every day in daily life, the customer are expecting that you are open. And always cite in yourself or always think yourself that in your business you have a certain difference to other business, especially of the type of competitive or you have to make highlight to other businesses, especially if you have a the same businesses industry.
Yes. And why do you think business is relevant in today's world?
For me, in my idea, I'm not be proud to myself. One of my business has a employee. Like I need to be acquired some people because that is my needed of my business, and it is be helpful to the world scenarios becoming of a business. It because it provides to the some of people, especially of your community. It requires a job inquiries also have a you can also help for others businesses like you can support those kind of business that are need of your business, you know what I mean, like if you have a like I have a bigasan stores or bugasan stores, and also I need to buy a direct panel for those rice industry. So I can help those industry na susupply ng rice, and also I can I can buy them or support them to grow and also to mind business.
Yes. And last is, what advice would you give to aspiring entrepreneurs or those planning to start a business?
For me, for my advice, before you start a business, you first think what are knowledge or skills you are capable first. Because you cannot handle the business if you're not ready for kind of business. When it comes of skills or in terms of knowledge, you always think that you have a enough knowledge for that. For good example is I not be proud to myself, but I have a piece of Wi-Fi and the massage. And that comes of piece of Wi-Fi, they have a defect or errors with always encounter in daily life. Always say to my client that, oy, walay signal professional that is. So I know to how to troubleshoot some issues to fix. I know to fix certain problems. So I not be rely for the inner technicians to avoid a expenses. And the other while my massage therapist spa is sometimes, although I have a employee, but sometimes we are loaded for the client. So I know that I am also a massage therapist, so I can cater those existing clients. So walang lalabas sa aking store. So that is one of advantage. Before you're starting a business, you need to have skills, and also you know what your business entails. So dapat alam mo yung business na business na sinasalihan mo.
I think that's all, Raj. Thank you for giving us your time.
My name is Melody Kawasan-Intayan, and I'm a fourth-year student here in CSSA, taking Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management.
This is your question. Why is business relevant in today's world?
Business is relevant in today's world. It's because everything comes with business. Everything works in business. Even though naka sa government, even though nara ka sa underground people here in society, medyo business, di ba? Relevant siya. It's because that's how people survive these days. Diba? Survive ang tao because of business. Even though naka sa educational field o naka sa kanang field nga dili ka siya related sa business, ka-encounter gihapon ka og business. It's because you want to survive lagi. You want another financial generating income. No, kay mas dako man gud ang kwarta sa business compared sa kanang work jud mo regular. So, anong relevant siya? It's because people see nga mas daghan og opportunity sa business compared sa other field.
For the second question, do you plan to have a business development?
Since I'm a business student, actually halos kami tanang classmates na mo is we wanted to pursue na entrepreneurship. Like gusto mi after na mo pag-graduate is dili lang mi mag-settle lang sa business related business na mga works, but then gusto mi mag-open sa mga future nga mga business. It's because kanang para sa amoa always ginaintikod sa amoa nga dapat na ami kanang dili mi ingon nga magpatuloy lang siya sa flow good sa business works lang. Gusto gina-instill sa amoa nga we also need to create something, create a business, because creating a business is creating employment, creating mag-provide both economically sa total society, di ba? So gusto ko business in the future kay ano siya, dili siya ingon sa first love daw business dili. Para sa ko it's something nga kanang daghan kag ma-explore. Okay? Business pa lang daan is not just business alone, you know? So yeah, I wanted business in the future.
Thank you po.
What kind of business? Ako, I love, talaga, pag magkuha ko business, gusto ko ka na business nga more on renting spaces. Kaya diba, gusto trend man karoon ang ma-event. So, sa isa pa lang ka-event, is dako na sila ginabayad sa facility. Kaya mong gasto lang is first year lang. And then, ang uban case, operation na lang siya halos good. Dili siya ikon nga, every year ka mag-invest. It's like ka ng maintenance na lang. So, gusto ko ka ng mga renting, mga resorts, mga halls.
Okay, so good afternoon, sir. Thank you for allowing me to interview you. Would you please introduce yourself first and your program?
My name is Nevin Espinosa, and currently I'm a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management.
So first is, do you think we should have, or one should have, a degree in order to succeed in the business field?
I don't think a person should have a degree in the business field, because anyone can have a business, even at a younger age, and I don't think a degree is needed for us to learn how the business works in our world.
Do you think business is relevant in today's world?
Yes, I do think that business is relevant in our world, in the sense that the business runs the world.
Do you plan to have a business in the future?
yes, I do have a plan to have a business in the future. Just a small business that can earn decent money.
So, good afternoon, sir. Thank you for allowing us to interview you. Can you please introduce yourself first?
Tyron J. Penetrante, and I'm BSBA HRM.
Okay. So, we have here some questions that you can try to answer. In your opinion, which is more valuable in business? Formal education or hands-on experience?
I think the two of them matters because when you have education in business, you can relate it to uh, in real life situation or in a business, real life business.
Yes, thank you.
So the second questions, what are the most important skills one should develop to thrive in business?
Innovation, because when you innovate something, you can be unique to other competitors. And that's
My name is Ken. You can call me Ken for sure.
Think you should have a degree in order to succeed in this field?
Para sa akin is, hindi mo kailangan lang hindi para lang maka-work ka for this field or it's just na ganito kasi lahat naman tayo marunong tayong hanap buhay. So, walang pwedeng gamitin na diploma or something degree para makatrabaho.
Second question, why is business relevant in today's world?
Ang para sa akin po is, siguro tayo naman lahat siguro is dito po natin mga hanap na trabaho o trabaho kasi yung panahon na ngayon is mahirap na po yung kalagayan. Pinas mahirap pa nga tapos ganito. So, need na po natin ang business ko.
Good afternoon po. Thank you so much for coming. Can you please introduce yourself?
So, my name is Raymond Sarata. I'm a student of CCSA College, CCSA Education College of Asia. So, I'm taking a Bachelor of Science in Administration Marketing Management.
So your first question po is, do you think we should have a degree in order to succeed in this field? Do you think we should have a degree in order to succeed in this field?
I think, depende na kay kung kay just na bumatan ang no? Kasi important diba? Diploma or discarding. So, mas okay kung wala diploma. Gawin mo lang may diploma kay karon man daw mo. Pag nakaka-degree or nahuman, mas dali na ka makakita ng trabaho. Pero pag kung gusto nyo lang discarding, okay po discarding, dagan matabawan yung sa
Okay, next question is, do you have plans to have a business in the future?
As a business student, okay, nisipita ko siya. Business lang. Business, so, na.
What kind of business?
Something like, what? Ako na dito nga naalaw kay conventional ganyan. Ano na oras, okay mo ito. More ang pagkaon, wala pinagdat. Kilig sila pagkaon. Okay. Kitchen man ako.
Good afternoon po. Please introduce yourself. A pleasant day to each and everyone. Hi, my name is Erica Kapul. So the first question is, what inspired you to choose a business program? Honestly speaking, taking up marketing management course or business course wasn't really my first choice. Actually, growing up, I really wanted to become a fashion designer, something related to fashion. But then, you know, as I grow up, I really need to be practical when it comes to my decisions. So that's the reason why I became encouraged to choose business-related programs because I feel like it can really help for me because I really wanted to have a business someday in the near future if God's will. So yeah, that's, I guess, inspires me to choose business course.
Thank you. So your second question po is, do you see yourself starting a business in the future? If so, what kind of business is that?
Yes, of course. Just like what I've said, I chose business course because I really wanted to have my own business. And if I am going to choose what kind of business it is, I really wanted something like, related to my hobbies, which is fashions, creating clothes, something like that. So I really wanted to have a business, a clothing business someday. So that's it.
Thank you po. Hello, good afternoon. Can you introduce yourself to us?
I am Joshua James Malbago and I'm a BSB HRM pod.
Okay, thank you. So here's your first question. What inspired you to choose a business program?
Na-inspired ko na mo mag-take of business program because our family is naapoy little business. So, gusto na ko nga in the near future na mas mo ipadakon pa na ko itong business na gamay and magtukod po ko sarili na ko nga business.
Second question is, what does success in business mean to you?
Success sa business para sa kuha is kanang daghan na ka o assets, na daghan na ka o kanang ma-inspired po na people nga ma-share nimo ang imong sariling ideas na which is gikan ka sa baba and hantod sa nagpataas ka and kato lang.
So first question po, ma'am, do you think we should have a degree in order to succeed in this field?
Important talaga na may degree in order to succeed. As na gina-degrade pag wala kay naman. So, importante jud na nakay degree na para mag-succeed ka. Tas regarding sa business, okay pa muna siya kung, for example, ang parents ninyo hindi maka-afford na mulahutay jud mo pag-study, manikamot na lang mo na mag-business mo. Naraman na siya sa kanang pagpaningkamot, kanang willingness to learn, sa ang mga dapat ninyo makatunan, o kanang dapat na may motivation na mo-succeed mo kung sa ang iyong gusto buhaton sa iyong ginagawa.
Then second question po, why is business relevant in today's world?
Ang business relevant siya in today's world kay karong panahon na lisod kaayo. Crisis, kailangan maningkamot sa tanan. Kay kung dili ka maningkamot, wala jud kay paadtuan. So narapo na sa inyo ako, trabaho pa mo para sa ako business jud ko. So kay na-experience man ako na magtrabaho for 1 decade sa Dubai. Tali ko sa company, magsunod jud ko sa rules. Para sa kuha kanang nakoy family. Dili ko maka unsa dayon maka nakoy mga importante na buhaton, dili dayon ko makakuan nakoy ginapalo sa nagkana pang business, hawak na ko ako ang time.
So good afternoon. Thank you so much for agreeing to be interviewed. First is, can we ask for your name?
Sure. My name is David Nathaniel Soriano, and I am from the BSBA Marketing Program.
Okay, thank you. So your first question is, in your opinion, which is more valuable in business, formal education or hands-on experience?
I guess for me, it's more valuable to have hands-on experiences kasi even though na you need knowledge, but experiences is what really shapes your knowledge into like you perform it and you will be able to utilize all those knowledges that you gain.
For your second question, what are the most important skills should develop to thrive in business?
I guess one of the most important skill a business student could have is really resiliency, because the fact that you are able to see challenges as a problem as a challenges, because by then mas maganahan kang to perform well and to go much more further eh. Like we want to be challenged. Yeah. That's it, guys.
Thank you.
So, good afternoon. Can we ask your name?
So, good afternoon. My name is Janmia De Jesus.
Okay, so thank you so much for agreeing with us. So, your first question is, in your opinion, which is more valuable in business, formal education or hands-on experience?
Hands-on, for me, is hands-on experience.
Why?
Kay hands-on, pag formal sa formal education, manggod kay kanang marag kanang dugay, pagod kanang daghan pagkag kailangan studihan, pero pag hands-on experience like kanang ma-discover lang nimo nga ingani day ka nga how day ka inga sa ingani, so murag daghan kag ma-apply sa imong business, then mas malambo pa siya.
Thank you.
For your second question, what does success in business mean to you?
So, success in business means to me is kanang pag kanang mapalambo na nako ang akong business, then daghan akong mga natabangan ng mga tao like na nagapangita og kanang work in the future.
Good afternoon, sir. So, can you introduce yourself?
First of all, my name is Romel Matala. I am BSBA HRM.
Okay, so the first questions, what inspired you to choose a business program?
Why I am choose and I'm inspired business program because of my uncle. When I was on 13 years old, I can see him the business that how to manage. Then gamay pa lang business niyang di kuan wag tanaw na ko nilambo. Then na-inspire ko sa yang self. Unang I choose business.
Okay, so for you, what are the most important skills one should develop to thrive in business?
Ang skills kailangan i-develop is important. Ang most important is as a HR, you should how to handle people to your to surroundings sa imong ka-coworkers. If kung dili nimo siya mabuhat as a HR, dili nimo mabuhat ang skill nga important, like pag dumala sa isa ka kumpanya kung unsay kailangan buhaton, dapat kung makita nimo sa isa kumpanya nga murag walay unity, dapat every year magkanta kita kanang team building para ang unity. Then mao po na akong gusto nga ma-apply na po sa akong self-esteem.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, I am Erman Solis from Christian Colleges of Southeast Asia. Together with me is...
Hi, I'm John Louis, and also I am graduate from Christian Colleges of Southeast Asia. Now I'm currently working here at GMGHC as an accounting staff.
So what was your first job after graduation and how did it shape your path?
So my first job after graduation is here. I landed here after my OJT, and I work as accounting staff, specializing payroll and payables.
How important do you think internship or practical experiences as a business student?
Well, as a business student, it is very important. Internship is very important because through this, it helps us improve our skills and gives us a prior knowledge of what really a workplace is, and also how to deal with your workmates and to become an effective employee.
Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, my name is Joy Almanaay. I'm a graduate student from Christian Colleges of Southeast Asia.
What are the most valuable skills or knowledge you have gained as a business graduate?
So, as a graduate student, the most valuable skills is time management, because in the work field you need to manage your time, because we know that there's a deadline in each. There's a prior payment like that. Me as one of the payables here in the company, I need to have a time management skills, because there's a due date about that.
How important do you think internship or practical experiences as a business student?
The internship is very important because it will help you to be ready in the future. We know na maghanap tayo ng trabaho in the future, and that internship helps you to engage in real work. So it's very important to complete your internship, so you know what's the work in real transaction.
Business na is relevant in today's world kay nagasupply mo siya sa ang pangangailangan everyday. For example, nakay tindahan. Ang tindahan is maghahatag siya daily income na fix. Although ingon nato na nagabenta lang kag noodles or either mga supplies, kailangan manggod na siya sa mga tao. That's why people buys it. In compare sa to ang naga-work lang ta, although natay fixed income every month, but it can still not supply what we need every day, because our income is still wala siya naga-change ug sa to ang pwede ma-range every month na expect nato na makuha nato kay napatay mga taxes or changes sa to ang mga incomes every day. So aside from that, dili nimo siya makuha dayon. While if you have a business, you can expect much or less, and you can have like, it can be, if you are lucky, it can be granted na mas mag-income kag more, depends on how you struggle, on how you paano ka man income.
For me, no, because business is it's free for everyone to do, and when we do business, it does not measure up to our what study we have finished, or what course did we finish. So business does not essentially requires a degree for you to do that, because again, when we do business, it is it measures our capability on how good are we in how good are we in managing our money, and it measures our capability.
Plans to have business in the future?
Yes, kay kung karon ako ang work, yes, naga-support siya, tama na siya sa amuang panginabuhi karon, pero dili jud siya enough kay in the future kubali ko na ako'y pamilya pohon, mudako akong pamilya, so mudako ang gastuonon, so kailangan ako another income. So ang way para magka other income ko is to have a business, kahit small business lang good, kahit like tindahan or like kanang mga food, since I am into food, like tapos ako before nakatry po kog business, pero kato siya wala siya ni nilambo, pero dili na to meaning na mag-stop na ko kay in the future pwede po na ko siya ibalik kung na may kapital pohon, kato lang.